Hi there, Mama Llama Razzle Dazzle here. I just bought a few things from Knit Picks and I would like to show them to you. The first one is the Beginner Crochet Dishcloth Kit. This is the coolest thing because everything you need is in this box, and it comes in a really nice box, so you can store your crochet in here while you're working on it. And what we include in this box here, you get to pick 3 different color schemes, and I just picked this one with the blue and the gray. It goes with my kitchen. Plus, it might be something that I could use for a gift for someone. So it comes with 3 balls of this beautiful 100% cotton worsted weight yarn. You also get the crochet hook, and you get a tapestry needle, which you need to like weave in the ends when you're done crocheting. I never have enough of those around, so it's really nice. And what's really cool about this particular needle is it's in a little case of its own. So rather than laying your needle into a basket or your box for knitting and crocheting, you can put it back in there and it'll be much easier to find. And the last thing that comes in the kit is the dishcloth how-to book. It teaches you from the very beginning, absolutely very beginning. It teaches you how to position the yarn and then how to make your first loop. And it's all like right there. You don't even need a video tutorial for this because you learn how to make every chain and every stitch. Okay, and then they teach you the couple different stitches that you need to make these washcloths or dishcloths. It's a fantastic instruction book, and when you're done you will have a dishcloth that looks like that. You will be able to make 3 because you're going to have 3 balls in your kit, and like I said, there are more than one color combination that is in the kit. Okay, and they teach you how to finish it off. And this is another kit that has the aqua white and coral. And then they have other kits available, so I hope you get one of these, because if you've been wanting to crochet for a while, once you get started on the dishcloths, you will know a couple stitches that will help you move on to other things like hats and scarves, and it really gets you started. They also have several other crochet kits, level 2 and level 3, for different things to make, and it's a really great way to learn. And once you've made like 3 dishcloths from the kit, you will have more confidence and you will feel ready to take on the next step. So come on, you can do it. Get yourself one of these kits in a box and you'll have 3 Christmas gifts just like that. Or Hanukkah gifts, or any kind of gifts. But so come on, go ahead and get yourself a box of the Beginning Crochet Dishcloth Kit, and you'll be well on your way. And it's a lot of fun. And if you need help, they'll help you, but this booklet will pretty much get you going. Okay, and you have a wonderful day, and make some razzle dazzle washcloths, dishcloths. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.